The following program is intended for informational purposes only and not as a standalone tool. Please refer to the Flexco website and other Flexco and Rockline literature for more detailed instructions. Prior to any work on your conveyors, make sure that the power has been turned off and that the belt is locked out. Follow other safety precautions as outlined in the operator's manual. And be sure to put on all recommended safety gear before beginning any belt maintenance procedure. When you're ready to begin, gather your tools and the materials shipped to you with the RMC1 skirt clamp. You will need a tape measure, a marker, a non-metallic hammer, welding torch, arc welder, and a skirt rubber. The first step is to determine the correct position for the clamp pins on the skirt board. The skirt clamp can be mounted vertically or at an angle that makes it perpendicular to the belt. It performs best when it's installed in a location where the belt is supported. In addition, the rubber should contact the belt at least 2 to 3 inches from its outer edge. Now measure the distance between the skirt board and the belt. If it's less than 1 1/4 inches, you can go on to the next step, measuring and marking your mounting line. If the gap between the skirt board and the belt is more than 1 1/4 inches, you'll need to adjust the mounting line upward until you're confident the clamp bracket will be able to press against the skirt board once it's installed. To determine the location of the mounting line, measure the height of the skirt rubber and add 1/4 inch. Using this dimension, measure upward along the skirt board from the belt's surface. Mark and repeat this process, moving along the skirt board. Draw a line connecting these marks. Next, you'll want to select the spots to weld the 2 clamp pins to the skirt board. The best position for each pin is 1 foot in from each end of the 4-foot clamp bar. Measure and mark these points on the skirt board. If there are obstructions, you can adjust the pins as needed. Before you begin welding, make sure the wedge that runs through each pin is positioned for easy access once it's installed. The next step is to weld the pins to the skirt board. Clean the areas where you'll be welding. As with any welding project, put on the appropriate safety gear and take care not to inhale any fumes. Weld the pins 1/4 inch all the way around to securely affix them to the skirt board. Now you're ready to assemble the clamp plates and clamp bar. Make sure the wedge on each clamp pin is unlocked so that it is perpendicular to the skirt board. Now position the skirt rubber between the clamp bar and the skirt board. Slide the plates over the pins and mount the clamp bar under the plates. Make sure it touches the top of the belt. Once the skirt rubber is in place, lock the clamps by moving the wedges back into their locked positions and hammering them down until tight. You're almost done. All that's left is to tack weld the clamp bar to the plates. Before you send any material over the belt, be sure to test run the skirt clamp and inspect its performance. Adjust the skirt rubber up or down as necessary. For more information on the RMC1 skirt clamp installation, go to www.flexco.com or contact your authorized Flexco distributor.